Hello! Today we're going to go through on how to install AhsayOBM on Windows. Let's jump to my screen and get started. On your computer, open your web browser. Then type the URL of your backup server. Click the download button right here. And under AhsayOBM, navigate to the Windows section and click the exe online installer. Once the download is complete, go to the Downloads folder and double-click the exe file to begin the installation. Follow the installation wizard to complete the process. For this section, make sure to indicate if you want everyone to use OBM or just a specific user. For our example, let's click anyone and click next. Then install. You have successfully installed AhsayOBM on your machine. Tick the Launch AhsayOBM box and click Finish to launch the application. Log in using your credentials. And that's how you install AhsayOBM on Windows. It's that easy.